Hey guys, welcome to yet another new video, and in this video we'll be going to learn how you can update your Codex CLI to the latest version available. So if you wish to download or update the latest version of the Codex CLI and you are struggling and you don't know how to do this, then in this tutorial I will be covering the same in detail. So you can find out the latest updates that are being given to the codex by simply going to the ChatGPT website. You can simply type in codex updates, and then if you are going for CLI, simply type in the same. And once you go to this particular website, that is the chatgpt.com, you will find all of the updates that are listed here within this particular website, or alternatively you can also go to the OpenAI developer website as well. So here you can find all of the updates especially related to the codex GUI if you are using with that, but since we are using the codex CLI, you can find the things related to the same within this particular page about it, and in the documents you can simply navigate to the same, and from here you can find about them using these particular links. So now without wasting further ado, let us find the exact method using which you can update your codex CLI in the Windows PowerShell. So first simply launch the codex or in your Windows PowerShell. So if you don't know how to actually install codex, then we have previously installed videos guiding the same in detail. So simply type in codex, and most probably you can see that whenever you will do this, you will see this update available option. So if you are having any particularly pending update, as you can see currently my version is 0.134.0 and the newer version is 0.135.0, it has automatically prompted me to update the codex CLI. You can also find the release notes into this particular GitHub repo where the codex is maintained, and you can find all of the feature notes, the bug fixes, the documentation, the chores, and also the change log within this particular directory. So in this particular repo you can see all of the releases for all of the versions of the codex CLI, and you can see that this is the OpenAI open source repository for managing codecs and others as well. So now moving back on to the same, you can simply click onto this update now button and it will run the following command. If for some reason there is an update available and you don't know if you wish to update, how you can update it, and this particular prompt does not run, you can simply run this particular command which is available right here, and I have also pasted this in the description, and you can simply run this after you have launched your codex, and you will simply need to click onto this, and you can see it says updating codex via PowerShell execution policy bypass and the particular link. Now you can see it is saying updating codex CLI from 0.134 to 0.135.0, and it has automatically detected my platform, which is Windows, and the architecture x64. Now you can see that the current powers that the particular file is in path, and future PowerShell windows open a new PowerShell window and run codex CLI. So it has updated the installation, and the installation for the version 0.135.0 has been successfully installed. Now it is asking if I wish to start codex now. So if I want to start it right now, I can simply type in AY and hit the enter button, and you can see that the updated codex has now been successfully launched. As you can see the version, that is version 0.135.0. So that is how easy it is to update the codex. And that was all for this particular tutorial. If this tutorial was helpful to you, then do make sure to like this particular video, do comment and let us know if you were able to update your codex, or if you ran into any particular issue that you would like the community to see and we can also resolve from our end. And also don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Do share the channel link and the video link to your friends so that they can also enjoy the same and find out how they can also update their own codecs on any particular other Gemini or Claude Code CLI, as well as more of the videos on this particular topic will be going to come out in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned, do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a nice day again.